Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by connecting sources and cleaning data. This is where clarity begins. Use Power Query to remove duplicates, set types, and trim columns. Make sure to keep refresh patterns in mind. Once done, fold related tables into a clear schema so relationships are obvious. You should name fields consistently and create calculated keys if needed. This minimizes later confusion and speeds up visuals. It also ensures your model can scale when new data arrives, so you won't rebuild from scratch. Now focus on the model and measures because visuals depend on them. You create relationships with correct cardinality and use bidirectional filters sparingly. Then write DAX measures, start with SUM and count, then encapsulate logic in calculate for context. Add time intelligence for month-over-month and year-to-date. Make calculated columns only when row-level values are required. Once validated, hide technical columns and expose friendly names. This keeps your report performant and your visuals returning accurate results every time. Finish by designing a clear layout and validating behavior end-to-end. You align visuals to a grid, use 2-3 accent colors, and prioritize legible fonts. Make sure axis labels and tooltips explain metrics. Then configure interactions, bookmarks, and drill-throughs. Test with real scenarios to verify filters and slicers work together. Publish to the Power BI service, schedule refresh, and set row-level security where needed. If something breaks, check relationships and measure context first. Those are usually the cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.